Hello everyone, this is Neha, your GIS coach. So in this video, we are going to learn how to use our notebook. So in the previous video, in the part 1A, we have wrote the code using our scripts. Okay, so you can find that by going into file, new file, our script that we have used in our previous video. So now you can just use our notebook. See here, this here our notebook, and then we save this notebook. Okay, just here, just insert a new R chunk. So here what I'll do, I will load the library. Okay, then just run it. Okay, and again if I choose the same way, okay, so you can just run this. After that, again for the next line of code, okay, so for the next line, so you have to set the working directory for each and every R chunk. Okay, you have to write the working directory, so then only it will run the code. Okay, so you can just check that you have the data in your working directory, right? So this is your line set data. Just go here and just copy this and again save here in double inverted comma. Okay, so then just check whether it will run or not. You can run by here, or by selecting this line you can go here and run selected line. So if you find any error here, session, set working directory, choose directory. Okay, so here again you have to go here, okay, yes. So now you can see this has been set. If you got any error, then just try to set the working directory again so that the error will get solved. Okay, so then if you want to again write a new line, so that you have to input the again one more R chunk. Okay, so the same way I have just prepared here. Okay, so here in the R script you used to find your output here, okay, in the console, but you can directly observe your output in the R notebook itself. Okay, so now you can see here, I'll just set my working directory, okay, because my data is in F folder now. So what I'll do, I'll just, here you can run, okay, and what I have, band 1, I'm just reading the raster data of band 1 that we have did it in our first video. the same way, the same code I'm using here. So you can see here in the bottom only you can observe the result of this particular line of code. Okay, and if you want to plot, just click here. See, automatically you can observe your plot. Yes. Okay, so this is how you need to use the R notebook so that you can save this. Okay, so if you can observe in your folder, okay, so see here, so whatever you are going to write the code in your R notebook, so that will be saved in a PDF manner. Okay, so see here, this will help you in the future reference also. Okay, okay, so let us just run the code. So here I am reading the band 1 raster. Okay, and here I am reading, like plotting the band 1, so you can see here itself. And then same, you have to set the working directory, and I am reading here band 2. Okay, and plotting band 2. Okay, so next, so we have discussed about the R list also. So again you can just go through this and plot the stack. It takes some time. Yes, so you can observe the R list. So you have sorted out all the band at once, and you can check the names. Okay. Oh. So this much, till this much we have discussed in our first video. So now we have one more task, that we have the raster data in .rst format. So now I want to read this .rst file. So what I'll do, I'll just give the variable name, and it is format of what? Raster, and I have .rst file. So just put the exact name of that particular file. Okay, and then just try here. Okay, so why you get this error here? It is because you don't have this file in this folder. Can you see that file in here? No. So whatever, if your data you are using here to read or to execute, so that data should present in this particular folder. Okay, so let us just copy this file to this particular folder so that we can run the correct line of code. Okay. Okay, so now here I have just used the directory now. So for that, what I did, I just went to session and set working directory, choose directory. So in the F folder I have rst raster file here. Okay, so then open that. See here, the working directory has been set now. So just copy this and paste here. Okay, so then you can just run this. Okay, so it is perfectly executed now. So now I want to plot this. Yes, see how nice it is, right? So this is what your rst raster file. So now I want to convert .rst format to TIFF format. Okay, so again I have to change my setting directory. And just change this. Okay, and I'll write raster file, convert to TIFF dot, you have to put the extension here. Okay, and then you have to write overwrite is equal to true. So this is what the code line which helps us to convert .rst raster file to TIFF file. Okay, so just we'll check whether it will run correctly or not. Yes, it run exactly. So then again you have, so you can read that file, just change this, okay, directory, and so you have converted that RST to TIFF file, whether it has been converted properly or not. See, in this you can see here your RST file. So we'll check the TIFF file which we have saved now. Yeah, the same way you got this converted TIFF format file. Okay. So here comes to the end of the session. So in this video we learned like how to use our notebook, and the same code we have used which we have already used in the R script. So the new thing we have learned in this video is that to convert the .rst format into a TIFF format, and after converting that into TIFF format, whether it has been converted properly or not, we need to check that. So for that again we made a code that to read that converted file, so it has been converted properly. Okay, so you just please try these codes and please use our notebook so that you can save your code related to R programming, so that you can refer it in future reference also. And please watch this video. If you find any difficulty in running the code, please give me a comment so that I can get the solution for that. Thank you so much.